Hello and welcome to Denslet, a channel for intelligent and curious people like you who are searching for human sexuality in the age of artificial intelligence. Usually, in this channel, we try to find a best possible solution of a problem, right? Or find the best possible answer to a question. Today's question is: how do your human and robot partner manage to keep its balance when you have physical intimacy with it? Now, before we proceed, let me tell you one thing. That is, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you have already subscribed, many thanks for your support. I hope in the future I will get that support. Now, come back to my topic again. How the human and robot partners manage to keep their balance while in the physically intimate act. There are three distinct features, you know, and robotists, when build a human and robot, they keep those features in their mind. Their support, one is support, second is articulation, and the third and the final one is movement. Although I think that any kind of sexual act with a human and robot, which is a kind of sexual object, is dehumanization of sex. Why? Because sexual objectification is done here as it's a machine, just like another sex toy. Therefore, you need to treat it like any kind of any other sexual object. But remember, many people think that since sexual act, any kind of sexual act, is an abnormal state of mind, therefore using something, some sex toys or something like that, or human and robot, is not dehumanization of sex. But that is their view. My view is, or my point is, any kind of sex involves an emotional bond and kindness, empathy, feelings, which these humanoid robots lack. In any case, we are going to talk about technical details, not any kind of, there is no vulgarity in this channel, by the way. The skeleton, first, the skeleton. The skeleton provides a framework, basically, like our skeleton, right? A framework to which muscles and tendons can attach. And it allows them to exert force and move the body's limbs. Also, it can withhold any kind of force if you push it or something like that, because in any kind of physically intimate act, there are a lot of things that happen which needs physical exerting force or push or pull or kind of things, or exerting or moving your limbs. So bones of the skeleton are also strong and rigid, which helps to support the weight of the body and protect the internal organs of the human robot. Second one is articulation. It is very important. The joints of the skeleton allow for movement between different body parts, just like a human body. Our joints also allow allow for movement between different body parts, like we simultaneously we can, when we walk, we take steps, and also our hands, use our hands, or when we exercise, you can imagine. Yes. So same thing happens for the humanoid robots also, but not in the exact way we can do, of course. The bones of the skeleton are connected at joints by smooth, flexible tissues that help to reduce friction and wear. You know, when a human robot is built, we follow the same guideline, almost we mimic a human body. Okay. So finally, the movement part. Muscles are attached to the bones of the skeleton by tendon. Then tendons, which are very strong, they are cord-like structures. Like, you know, when a muscle contracts or just it gives up, stretches. It pulls on the tendons, which in turn causes the bones to move. Okay, this is how muscles are able to move the limbs of the humanoid robot's body. So that is the story behind a humanoid robot partners, your humanoid robot partners, any kind of uh, sexual act, how they can do that, how their body works or how their limbs work, how their skeleton works, how they move their body parts, limbs, etc. This is the real story behind it. This is the technical part, of course. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. I hope if you like this video, please share with your friends. Stay safe and take care.